look at this. Look, it's already morning. We're gonna go and unpack our stuff first. He's gonna change our clothes into our comfort. He's gonna change it to our comfort clothes. Because she loves you. And the toddler, which looks so spoiled because he is literally the main character. Because he's just a baby. Needs to be the main. Okay, so we got this dress. Or what's it? Here. And here for some more proms. We got the drink that she didn't. We got this that she didn't drink. So let's try to there. Probably here. Okay, let's check it. We're gonna check it. Go to the tree house to have a sleepover with Ella. People with misophonia school.
Yung prosecution po ba, nag-request po sa Senate na i-shoulder yung magiging mga expenses ng prosecution panel.
Okay.
For example, yung mga and other necessities na kailangan po ng prosecution.
Big bro.
Wala kami because
Wait a damn minute.
in the history of study proceedings, usually naman kapag may transcripts stocks, then tinatanggap yun.
Brother, we build a tree house apparently. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love this. Let's go check it out.
Vice President Sara Duterte herself requesting for their own catering and other necessities dahil nga po may security threats. And alongside po dun sa letter, meron din po request na bayaran yung mga expenses ng defense fund.
He isn't even like wearing any shoes.
Any reaction?
He doesn't care because he has sleepover with Ella. Once again.
Pero kung totoo man yung request na yun, una-una yung request na magkaroon ng
He just slept with not putting on his pajamas. So she's gonna Ella on my computer since I don't wanna go to the elevator and get my phone again. The loading could take so long. We said the sloth is Ella. Hey Ella, do you wanna go on a sleepover? Okay, we should come, but I have a brother named Sphinx. He wants to go on my party too. Okay, then let's go. Okay, is this the silver? Yeah, it is. Yeah. This is so good. Let's go. This is go play Roblox, but I forgot my phone. It's okay, you can use this laptop. I got my phone. Me and Ella are gonna play too.
Sa korte. And in this case, the Senate. Sige po, ma'am. Idagdag ko lang, ma'am.
People with misophonia school again.
Yes, parang kaya po sila nag-request for sariling caterer kasi because of security concerns daw po. Okay. So hindi lamang napapagastusan sa Senado yung pagkain ng abogado at mga kasama ng defense, kundi kasama rin doon na ang caterer ay hindi taga-Senado. Yes, yes po, parang dun po sa letter, parang they want to have their own caterer
Ano,
of their choice
have
na
fun.
papasukan po nila sana sa
Gabi.
Okay.
Ano?
Tsaka isa lang kasi doon, yung pagdududahan mo ng Senado na baka mamaya nilason yung pagkain sa mga tao, medyo may insulto ang ating Senado dyan. Kasi para namang ang layo-layo nung ganong, and nobody in his right mind would plan to poison anybody that enters the premises of Senate. That, I can assure.
This is actually our 8th year doing
Share ko lang
it.
sa inyo itong hair mask na
In
sobrang
both
ganda.
local as well
Ginamit ko
as
siya
the
at sa
global
services.
together.
Pero
We
kuya
make
Be,
sure na
mas makinis
we
na
listen
buhok
to
ko
the
kaysa
people
ng
and what
bagong
they
pareho.
need.
Sa mga bagong smartphone na ito, mas mailalabas din ang pagiging productive ng user.
The phone
Thank you po.
8 Ultra is actually also very good for
Okay.
productivity. It's the only phone that we have that can put
Magandang hapon po,
3 different
Magic, amin
things
yung
in
mga
one.
brigada niyo
I'm
sa
gonna tell my brother if
Taas ng mga
the
bagong
copy partings.
The reason why I ask is because since yesterday,
Apparently, we are gonna get copyright. So,
investigation and not for anything else. So, as to whether this
Yuri,
is it should not
Yuri
be an issue.
speaking. Oh my god, I couldn't get some
Did
more.
you feel na medyo off po yun or napastos po ba kayo or
Just gonna
takan?
I feel deprived.
fancy.
Deprived of the
Please
opportunity to
tell it.
explain, no? And that is why kanina tinatanong ako ni Senator Robin, I cannot answer without qualifying.
That's how I was already.
It's hard to be
I could.
confronted with a question of yes or no only.
I'll just circle that later as slowly. Kind of hard to open it. Look at this one instead.
Okay, last question na lang po. Sabi niyo po kanina, you presented power po. Business kahit natatakot lang po sila. So, would you say ma'am na nag-surprise po
Please, Sophie.
ngayon kahit
Please, Sophia.
Gold.
Gold.
Kumbaga, sabi niyo nga po kanina, kompleto na yung nasa great threat. So, hindi na talaga po
Good chicken.
sapat na yung pagtutuloy.
That is why I said, instead of doing the direct,
No one would wanna watch this. No one would wanna hear your videos you're watching.
redirect examination. That is
I don't even know those since most of those are little kids or teenagers.
Testimonya ng aming tatlong testigo with respect to article of threat.
No, no.
Hello po. My question po pertains to what the plan is after the presiding officer said Attorney Tolosa may want to reconsider the spokesperson role na po and have someone who's not limited to the rules of impeachment court instead. We will bring it up with Attorney J. Tolosa, no? And ever since naman, we are always
Nine
deciding as a
today. I
team,
should
no? So
go
we will be consulting
probably.
each other as to the best action to take for Attorney Tolosa. But ultimately, of course, this will be his
A lot
decision.
of land.
And then may
I'm sorry now.
the question was posed not only for consideration of the
Hey,
prosecution,
who
but
the
also
hell
for
are
the
you?
defense.
Oh, this
Because
was
same
brother.
situation, si Attorney Boa, who is also a prosecutor,
Because I
also a
wanna
defense
join
lawyer, and at the
the.
same time a
I wanna join the sleepover. Okay.
as our chair.
I was about to
And
click your
the
wrath.
prosec has always said all decisions of the prosecution, whether it be public or private,
I
is
should get
always
some.
consultative, collegial, and consensual. So, pag-uusapan pa lang.
Got some chicken there. Yeah, the chicken's getting dirty.
Yung comment ni Senator Padilla na sana raw hindi one-sided yung prosecution.
And until it's like golden brown.
Since parang tayo mo sa loob ng session ko, tapos
Like this is close to golden brown.
Judge
What happened?
Robin Padilla, no?
Okay.
Apparently, this impeachment trial is adversarial.
Good thing Toca Boca is not.
Kaya merong prosecution is to
Some
establish
kids
the
are scared of
case.
fires anyway, especially
Kaya
me.
may defense is to
IRL.
defend
If I get to
the innocence
close
of
to
the
the fire,
respondent.
IRL is just gonna.
So,
What the hell is
it
that?
very much
Hmm? I
anticipated
don't wanna go there.
that the
I'm a
prosecution is
trap.
biased
Like that.
towards
So yeah.
president presenting the evidence.
So they saw someone accidentally tripped to the fire. They just got burned to death. And I'm afraid now,
So,
even though that was like a year ago.
Kung Jinky is
I'm
very
gonna
diplomatic
do
and
refill
counsel. Kasi ako, yung bagay mo, pero
with
medyo
their
masisa.
refilling
But I've
the
always deferred,
fridge.
I've always said that,
Handang tumulong yung hinuli na mga ano mo, hindi mo natulungan.
impeachment hearing.
Okay, shout out
Supporter
to
mo
Sphinx
noon,
because
Kakatar.
she is the best animal hospital YouTuber ever in the entire life. Ha!
Brings color and surprise and excitement. It's as if, especially if it's the last one to manifest, nagigising po kami lahat.
And we should order some
At
clothes because it's getting snowy out here. It's giving Christmas vibes.
apologize to
Okay, go
Judge Robin. There was no
or
intent
Tracy.
to disrespect him.
Okay,
Kaya lang, syempre,
go this side.
maliwanag yun. Kaya merong prosecution is to establish the case.
Paliwanag mo kay Robin yan, tanga yun eh.
Is to defend the innocence of the respondent, no?
Hanapan mo ng mga
Meanwhile,
Very much anticipated that
wait. Oh, this is so cute. Really?
forgive na nga, hindi na kami uulit dyan.
Let's go get a package.
Prosecution
She
for
ordered.
the prosecution
Apparently, she ordered
for the defense.
this,
As we say, it is the nature of
this,
either judge must be the one who's neutral.
this,
Yung siguro sinasabi,
and
dapat
this.
that applies
Bro, she's going overload, bro.
Tama,
to dyan. Yun sa'yo.
yung sa pool siya. Kaya mo katangahan niya, is Jay. Si Robin Padilla, hahanapan niya yung mga prosecutors na ano daw dapat
Yun the issue of bias also.
gago. Ang hinahanapan na dapat hindi one-sided sila.
Okay, look for that chihuahua with the sunglasses. Okay. This one.
Lang natin doon sa tamang konteksto. Of course, with due courtesy to Senator Robin, irirespeto naman natin yung kanyang pananaw na parang
Yung
one-sided.
trabaho daw ng prosecution ay
Ang Kongreso
pilitin
siyang
yung
tumanggap ng
katotohanan na protektado
ayon sa
yung
konstitusyon.
innocent.
Gago. Siya, judge eh.
Sa forma at may basihan at makita
Yeah,
ang
the
sinakayunan
carpet
ng
garage.
27 congressman
Parking
na
motor
Magkatanga daw yun.
Ibig sabihin,
May
ang
California
Kongreso na
People's
ngayon, ang
Road.
prosecutor o yung magre-representa ng mga nagreklamo at sang-ayon doon sa mga nakitang pwede, may probable cause. Ngayon ay naiakyat iyan sa korte na ang Senado in this case. Dito naman sa korte, talagang bubuksan mo na ang lahat ng pruweba na
Scroll
ipapakita ng
now.
prosecution para i-confirm or sang-ayunan or tuldukan yung mga reklamo at patotohanan yung mga reklamo. Yung defense naman ay yung akusado
Wala
kung
gano'n.
saan in its word
Ibalik
itself,
lang sa kanya
defense
yung
and depensa.
sinabi niya.
Yan po ang
Kaya
sitwasyon.
dapat na maging
Ang
neutral.
yung senator judges kasi kailangan nilang
Umpisa pa lang sinasabi niya na
i-analyze, pag-aralan,
bubuto sa ano eh.
pagpagdihan
Oh,
ang
so much
lahat
Mega
ng
Bye. Bye. Shout out to
Pa-aplical ni
Swing,
Sara Duterte. Sinabi niya noon pa
live
eh.
streamer.
pwedeng maging bias